Here is my step-by-step guide to speak English fluently. Immerse yourself, surround yourself with English content. TV shows, movies, podcast, music. This will help you adapt to a natural speech patterns and learn idiomatic expressions. Build a strong foundation. Start with the basics of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation, and most importantly, the use of correct sentence structure. And you'll see the change yourself. Practice regularly. Dedicate time each day for spoken English and listening practice. This is going to change the game, trust me. Expand your vocabulary. Whenever and wherever you can learn a new word from, just do it. I am a movie buff and I learn most of new words and expressions from movies. You can do it too. And again, I would like to say, start thinking in English. Trust me, once you start translating from your native language to English, things change automatically. Your English improves automatically. You will notice that now you're responding in English more quickly and more naturally.